In a startling development of the Jocelyn Smith case, we have seen in the past week on Wednesday when Stefan van Ryan took the stand, and he said he was subject to torture so that they could obtain a confession out of him. We have heard of Buddha, Jack Quinn, Apollos, who is accused number one, Buddha, known as Buddha, also saying the same thing in the past 2 weeks of the trial within a trial. So a trial within a trial was held so that it would be, the judge will decide whether the confessions are admissible in the trial. So that is the reason why there was a trial within a trial. It is something that happens in an ongoing trial. So I'm hoping I've tried to explain what is a trial within a trial. In this case, in the Buddha case, in the Jocelyn Smith case, this trial, we have heard of how these two gentlemen had said that they were tortured. So the judge had to hear them out and then decide whether their confessions are admissible. I think we're together, ne? We're together. So Stefan van Ryan said, he said a lot of things. He said that his 4-5 was squeezed. He was turned upside down. Something was put on his head. The stories with Ubuntu are not too far different. They're almost the same. They both say that they were tortured to say that confession. So it came to an end yesterday when Judge Rasmus decided that no, we are going to use this. We are going to use the confession in the trial. It's admissible. So yes, he had them out, and there was a point where Buddha said he was lying. I don't know which part, but we were told that he was subject to torture, him and his co-accused, because he said that while he was being tortured, there was a time where they brought in Stefan van Ryan into the same room, He was also taken to the hospital, and his injuries, when he was asked where he got his injuries, he just said when he was arrested he got those injuries. So yes, the trial continues on Tuesday, and we can't wait to hear what will take place. And so what do you think? Are you seeing a lot of delays in these high profile trials? Are you seeing progress? Do you think we'll ever know what happened to Jocelyn Smith? I'm hoping this coming weeks that will be the case, because we need to know. We had a lot of stories of that maybe the child is in West Africa in a container. We had that there was a Nigerian who said the mother must stop joking around. We've heard the mother had said that this child has made her to be famous. We've heard from TikTokers, neighbors, with surgeons, a lot of people who have told us. I remember one witness who is a preacher around there said at one point, Kelly Smith told her that you are going to see something you've never seen before here in Middleport. It will be something that almost looks like a scene from a movie. So I've been following this case from March 3rd up until now, and I'm eager to know. I really want to know where this child is. We have a problem of child trafficking, human trafficking. We have a problem of kidnapping in our country, and we need to know where this child is. Mothers selling their kids, it's so sad. And I'm happy that the trial will continue and we'll finally find out the truth. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. And until next time, keep well and God bless.